Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious dim pudding. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and 4 individual serving dishes prepared. Precise measurements are key for a smooth, delightful dessert. Now let's combine our ingredients. First, in your medium saucepan, whisk together the 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This step is vital to avoid any lumps. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of cold milk, whisking constantly until the mixture is completely smooth. Then, place the saucepan on your stovetop over medium-low heat. Keep stirring the pudding mixture continuously over the medium-low heat. You will notice it begin to thicken after about 5 minutes. The pudding is perfectly cooked when it coats the back of a spoon without dripping off easily. Once it reaches this consistency, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for a classic taste. The final steps are simple for a perfect finish. Carefully pour the warm pudding into your 4 individual serving dishes. To prevent a firm skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of each pudding. Allow the pudding to cool completely, then refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. Serve chilled and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.